What is up and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be opening up a package from Redemption Fingerboards. I actually ordered and got these in about a few months ago, and I completely lost and misplaced the video footage of me opening them up. And I just came across them, so I figured I would edit it and put up this video as well as do a little miniature review of the wheels. But these are some wheels that I ordered from Redemption Fingerboards. They also came with some grip tape, and I was really surprised to see all the extra stickers as well as the extra set of wheels that came with this order. And these are abstract wheels from Redemption. Super excited to be trying these out. I've heard a lot about them, and everything so far in this package looks super professional. It's even got a little thank you card and some really cool stickers. Got the abstract ape tape and this 15-year Redemption fingerboard sticker. And I think it's super cool that this company's been in the fingerboarding community for such a long time. This is the free set of wheels that I got with my order. They're actually doing a deal where if you bought a set of wheels, or I think it was over a certain amount, like $25, you get a free set of B stocks. So if you're thinking about getting a set of wheels, it's definitely worth following them over on Instagram to find out when they have their deals. And these are the wheels that I ordered. They're a yellow and blue swirl abstract wheels, which I'm super excited to try these out on my Chucky Sticky Frog parody board. And the black wheels I'm going to save for another setup. But just getting these out of the pack, they look super nice. I like how the color swirls give each wheel a unique design. And these are the conical shaped wheel from Abstract. They're a little rounded on the edge, and it makes it really easy and nice to do tricks on them. The ABEC 9 bearings are super smooth on these. And like most good quality wheels, they don't spin forever. However, they are super smooth and also really silent. And when actually rolling on them and using them for fingerboarding, they have a really smooth feel to them and also a good amount of free roll. I really like the grip on these wheels. It's just enough to get some squeak when doing power slides, but also be able to revert and not kind of be stuck. You can also do 360 shoves, and it has just enough grip to kind of go back and be able to go cleanly out of them. And the wheels squeak on pretty much every single surface, including painted concrete as well as wood, and I also tried some marble. And I like the amount of grip as well that I get for doing tricks. It makes doing tricks a little bit easier and just a little bit more control. Overall, I really like these abstract wheels from Redemption Fingerboards and definitely recommend them. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like as well as subscribe and turn on notifications for when I post my newest videos. And until next time, peace.